window is either perfect or it is not. We build them, so it is never not. We are VEKA. We are German and we are Indian. We are over 90 years of combined experience. We are capable of a breathtaking 24,000 ton manufacturing capacity. We are obsessed with quality and have an unrelenting attention to detail. We are VEKA. Everything we build is class leading and everything is crafted to German precision. Precise, accurate, flawless, strong, safe, noiseless, green and environment friendly. And we offer a range that's as broad as it is deep. Casement series, sliding series, combination systems, arch windows, tilt and turn windows, slide and fold doors, tilt and slide doors, lift and slide doors, twin sash grille and mesh windows. But it's not just about what we make, it's how we make it. We cherry pick the finest PVC, achieve the finest blend for durability, strength and aesthetics. Cast it into some of the world's best profiles. We test every inch we produce to industry-leading quality standards. We combine the profiles with accessories that are equally world-class. And we fabricate these profiles to perfection. All of this in a factory that is easily India's largest and one of the world's finest. 200,000 square feet, 24 extrusion lines, over 150 sections. But what sets VEKA apart is more than cutting-edge manufacturing. We have the largest network of authorized fabricators in India. We count some of the biggest names among our clients. And we've delivered prestigious and challenging projects across India. Welcome to a world that's perfect by design. VEKA. Made perfect, stays perfect.